Browsers have been known as a way to interact with the web. In the last 5 years, there has been no innovation, just some vertical tabs, some cool color themes. Welcome AI into the chat. With the integration of AI, browsers have been given a new life. We have been testing each and every AI feature in browsers the world has been releasing for the last few months to bring this comparison for you between Perplexity's Comet and the browser company's Dia. This video goes in detail about what each offers and lets you know if the features are really helpful or just gimmicks. So let's get into it. At first glance, both Comet and Dia promise the same dream. A browser that doesn't just show you the web, but helps you work through it. Chat with a page, summarize long documents, pull context from what's already open. It's the assistant in your browser moment, finally becoming real. Comet is now free for everyone with an AI side panel that reads pages, answers questions, and can steer you through sites. On paid tiers, it adds a background assistant that runs multiple tasks at once while you continue browsing. It is positioned like Chrome with an embedded copilot, not just a chat box tacked on. Dia, in contrast, leans into chat with your tabs as its signature move. You can ask questions about whatever tabs are open, reference specific tabs, attach files, build custom skills, and use persistent memory to preserve context. There's a free tier with usage limits, and Dia Pro costs $20 per month for unlimited chat. The pitch is a calmer, writing-forward workspace that lives inside the browser. Platform support reveals a big difference. Comet works on both Mac and Windows today, which matters if you switch between machines or operate across platforms. Dia, as of now, is officially Mac only. There is no public Windows version yet. In terms of pricing, Comet the browser is free. Advanced automation rides behind Perplexity subscription tiers. Dia's Pro plan unlocks unlimited chat, while free users retain some capabilities but hit usage ceilings. Comet's strategy: give the assistant free, charge for the do stuff for me features. Dia's strategy: allow chat for free, but charge to lift usage limits. In real usage, Comet's background assistant can research, compare, draft, monitor stock tickers, and run tasks while you browse elsewhere. Dia shines when you're juggling a handful of tabs and want to converse with them, write in your voice, and pull context without copy and paste. Neither product is flawless. Comet faces risks from hidden instructions in URLs that could trick the assistant into exposing data, something Perplexity patched. If you connect email or calendars, you must be careful with privacy settings. Dia carries pains too. Being Mac only frustrates users, and some report reliability gaps when pulling context from web apps like Outlook or Gmail. Public feedback tilts slightly toward Comet. Many users praise the concept and speed of iteration, but call for polish. Its broad access and fast updates build momentum. Dia gets praise for design and experience, but numerous first impression comments describe it as just another browser or a premium reskin of existing tools, especially since Windows users are left out. As for deployment readiness, Comet is already downloading easily on Mac and Windows. Dia is still limited to Mac with no clear Windows release date, making it harder to adopt widely, especially in mixed environments. Which to choose? Comet is better if you want an AI copilot that multitasks while you do, and you need both Windows and Mac support today. You'll live mostly in the free tier unless you crave automation. Just be mindful of connector access and privacy as things evolve. Dia may appeal if you're Mac only, enjoy deep writing work, and want intelligent interaction with tabs. But if you use Windows, it's not a real option yet. The winner by public momentum and practical usability. Comet. Why? Because it's cross-platform, free to start, and its background assistant unlocks automation users call time-saving, not just neat. The reviews call for refinement, but the reach, speed of shipping, and roadmap have more visible traction than Dia's Mac-first rollout. Dia fans applaud the UX while asking for Windows. Comet fans debate workflows. In the browser AI race, the one people can actually use wins. If Dia succeeds in building a robust Windows version and strengthens its cross-app memory, the competition tightens. But today, Comet is the AI browser most people can adopt immediately, and the one public sentiment seems to rally behind.